In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Centos8 on WSL. To get that set up, you need to first have Docker desktop installed, and you can install this community edition, which is free. So I already have that installed here. So once you have that installed, you need to run this command right here, docker image pull CentOS. It should pull the latest version, but I'm going to put this in here anyway. So let's hit enter, enter again. Okay, so it's already pulled it down. And then we need to create the container now that we've downloaded the image. With a bash. All right, so now we're going to create the image or the container with bash. Okay, so we're going to need this number to export this container. So we're going to type in docker export, and we need the first at least 4 numbers of this number here. And then we're going to send that to a tar file. This is going to take a few minutes. I'm going to pause the video and then we'll come right back. Okay, now that that's finished, we're going to bring this into WSL. Okay, so now that we have Docker exported to a tar file, and we've now imported that tar file into WSL. So now we can go into that distro through WSL. So let's do that now. -d Centos8. All right. Now we're in WSL, and we should have, there should be the latest version of CentOS. So let's test that. There you go. CentOS Linux Release 8 worked. Now, if you want to, let's get out of here. Now, if you want to make that your default in WSL, just do WSL config s and then the name of your distro. Okay, so now we have, should be listed as the default. There you go. CentOS8 is now the default for my WSL.